In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get found for remote jobs on LinkedIn. If you're hoping to land a remote role, there's a simple setting on LinkedIn that can make a big difference in whether recruiters actually find you. Inside LinkedIn Recruiter, the tool companies use to search for talent, there's a filter that lets recruiters pull up people who are open to remote work. The surprising part is that many candidates never turn this on, which means they quietly miss out on relevant searches. Here's how to make sure you show up. Open your LinkedIn profile and scroll to the Open to section. This is the area where you can signal that you're open to work, whether you're actively hunting or just open to hearing about great opportunities. If you want to keep things discreet, select the option that limits visibility to recruiters who use LinkedIn Recruiter. That setting helps you stay on the radar of hiring teams while keeping your current employer from seeing your status. If you're comfortable being more public, you can switch on the green Open to Work banner, but that's completely optional and not required for this tip to work. Now for the key step. When you enable the Open to feature, LinkedIn automatically checks options for on-site and hybrid roles. Don't stop there. Manually add remote as an option. That single choice is what makes you eligible to appear when recruiters apply the remote filter. If remote isn't selected, you'll be filtered out, even if you'd love to work from anywhere. Why does this matter so much? LinkedIn has over 1 billion profiles, but only around 33 million people appear when the remote filter is applied. In other words, a huge number of job seekers aren't choosing this option, and that gives you a real edge. When recruiters need to fill a remote role, they rely on that filter to find candidates quickly. Turning it on increases your chances of being discovered, puts you in front of the right opportunities, and helps you stand out from the crowd. That's all there is to it. Confirm you're open to work, choose who can see it, and make sure remote is included. It's a small update that can open big doors. If you have questions about this feature or want to learn more about how recruiters search for candidates, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching and good luck with your remote job search.